everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm excited for today's video, as I am for every single video, because today we have our BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of November. I'm really hoping that we have some fall goodies in here or some like pre-Christmas holiday goodies in here. I'm stoked, so I'm not even about to waste any more time. Just want to jump into this box. For those of you that don't know, I am a BoxyCharm affiliate, so my link is going to be down in the description box so you can sign up and get your very own BoxyCharm. It's a beauty subscription service. It's $21 a month, and you get up to $100 worth of full-size product, like 5 to 6 products. They're full size also. They're not no sample size, so do be mindful of that. So if you are a BoxyCharm person and you have, or a BoxyCharm charmer, and you already have November's box, then get ready for some spoilers. If you don't have your box yet and you don't want to know what's inside, then click off the video, but then still watch it so you know what you're getting, because not everybody gets the exact same thing. I think sometimes it varies, so that's something to keep in mind as well. So let's dive into this month's box. As you all know, we get a little card letting us know what's inside the box in terms of the pricing and like the type of things we get. So this month we got 5 full-size products, and I'm already seeing some big name brands in here, guys. You guys know that we get well-known brands as well as some indie brands as well. This month we've got some Cover FX, we've got Luxie. They've been putting a lot of Luxie brushes lately. That's good. And we've got some that I've never heard of before, Farah and Bodyography. So let's get into it. This month's theme is Gold Digger, G-O-A-L. So that's fun, and it's gold. So not what I really was expecting in terms of the season right now, but I'm excited for what's inside, so let's dig in. So the first thing obviously I'm going to put out is these Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes have been growing on me because they're actually really good quality. They're nice and soft, and the price point isn't too bad. With everything that I do, I'm going to put links to all of these individual items as well down in the description box for you. Okay, so this Luxie set is called the Luminous Eye Set, and I love the packaging on these. It has a gold ferrule, and it's like a gold glitter handle. I kind of don't like how that particular part feels. I wish it was covered in something because you can feel the chunky glitter. But different from that, these are more so detail eye brushes. So that's something to think about with these ones. They are very tiny in terms of the brush itself. So more so for detail work in the eyes. And you've got some angled one. This one could be definitely good for your crease or even adding some contour to your nose. So we've got these very, very tiny, great for detail work if you're going to go ahead and do that. So next I'm grabbing, this is a makeup brush cleaner, and this is by Bodyography Pro. So I don't really deep clean my brushes like once a week, so spot cleaning with this, I guess if I have a brush that I'm, interested in using and it's dirty, then I could definitely use this. This retails for $12. Oh, the Luxie brush set. This brush set retails for $21. The cost of the box. The BoxyCharm monthly subscription is $21 a month. This brush set is $21. This is by Farah Brushes. This is a Galaxy Gold Tweezer. Ooh. And this one is one of those, how do you say, it's like a double end tweezer. So one is more of a pointy end, I guess, for getting really tiny hairs, and one more of a slanted end. You can apply your lashes with a slanted end. You can actually tweeze your eyebrows with a slanted end. So really nice. I like that double situation that it has going on, dual sides basically. And this actual tweezer retails for $12. Next up in our box, we've got, Cover FX glitter drops. And what color did I get? I got the color Nova, and this apparently retails for $44. Oh, nice. That's really gold. That's beautiful. Nice glass packaging. Let me go ahead and put a little bit on the back of my hand so y'all can see this. This is more so a liquid, so definitely put this on when you're putting on your foundation. You could probably mix this with your foundation as well. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and gold. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Definitely, if you want that glow to the skin, mix this in with your foundation. Look how beautiful that is. Mix it in with your foundation. If you want something that's going to make your highlight pop even more before you apply it, put this on first in the high points of your cheeks and then go ahead and add your highlighter. That's beautiful. Perfect for the holiday season. Apparently, this is an ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter to create high impact, reflective finish that wow. So yeah, it's a multi-use glitter. Like I said, definitely put this on if you want more pow to your highlights instead of just having your highlight on its own. But that right there, gorgeous. Definitely going to add a lovely glow to the skin. And last but not least, we've got a palette. This is by Ace Beauty, and it's their Grandiose palette. And this palette retails, let me get it. This palette retails for $24.99. Looks like this. The packaging is really nice. That cardboard packaging. And one of my eyeshadows is broken, guys. There's no mirror in here, but I'm gonna tilt it just a little bit. One of my eyeshadows came broken. This one right here, Clove, is it's broken. So you probably can't see it, but it came broken, so I'm gonna have to fix it. But the colors look really, really nice. I am definitely, wow. They're pretty colors. So I'm gonna show you some of them on the back of my finger there. Some nice ones. I don't have on any eyeshadow today, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and play in this. Even though I've got a broken shadow in here, I definitely want to see how these would work on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. So I liked playing in this palette. Minimal fallout, so we had a little fallout, especially with the more glittery shade, but different from that, the colors are very nice and pigmented and they blended out really well. So good job, Ace Beauty. Nice. I like them. I like the colors, and the palette is definitely more towards fall, so that's always great. But yeah, you guys, that's it for my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of November. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. If you have, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you don't ever miss videos from me. Alright, you guys, I will see you in the next video, and I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.